Yo, back up! Get out of the car! Here! 1410, someone just got in my patrol car. They're going down 285, no, sorry, 166, going towards the Low in Stanton.
Alright, Phoenix, we have eyes on the stolen patrol vehicle and ours. Whoever got it driving at a high rate of speed with the lights on eastbound. I have eyes on it, coming up the connector eastbound. Alright, he's coming up to University. He's about 41 Simbo. 41 hard in the train tracks. University McDonough, roll over. 41 roll over at University McDonough on the train tracks. Nobody's come out yet. He's laying on the tracks.
Ron Jonesboro?
Our units are on the car smoking. Nobody's come out yet.
Vehicle rolled over on the railroad tracks.